Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. So, welcome back, Power Mates. Today, our video is packed with all diving and the biggest announcement from Microsoft Build 2025. Whether you are a data professional, a developer, or just a tech enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. So, Alex, let's get started.
Yeah, Gaston. So, as Gaston mentioned, we're diving into some of the most exciting Power platforms and AI announcement on the Microsoft Build, and also, of course, adding data, Fabric, and also, from my perspective, me more on the Power Platform and business application side of things. And let me tell you that this year it's all about building modern teams and scaling with intelligent agents collaborating like never before. So Microsoft on some point is redefining what it means to be a modern team at the heart of the vision. It's like a seamless flow from agent to app to collaboration. So now, instead of just building applications, we are designing agents for solutions. And these agents don't just respond to prompts. They are active participants, coordinating tasks, start facing insight, driving workflows across your tools. So think like a smarter bot that actually work like a team member.
Yeah, and Alex, I was kind of really excited about some of the announcement, and we were there in the keynote
Yeah.
with Satya, and he talked about a lot of data platform excitement news. Arun and Amir, they bring a whole new announcement for data platform lovers. So I would love to spotlight some of those announcements. For example, first of all, the Cosmos DB. Cosmos DB is going to be embedded right away into Microsoft Fabric. So all the transactional and all this kind of enhancement for software developers is going to be part of a new workload coming directly into the Fabric space. The second big spotlight for me was the command line interface. So all of us, and I know that Alex don't chime into the data platform space, but we've been doing a bunch of PowerShell scripting to automate process behind the scenes. So with the CLI or the command line interface, you're going to be able to automate a bunch of process like workspace creation, automate the process of create a lakehouse, create different artifact items, automate the process of the development, and all the stuff is going to be doable right away with a command scripting in the CLI interface.
That's great. And talking about some of the announcement on the keynote, on the second day, we were there with Charles Mana and Ryan Cunningham announcing the Plan Designer and the generative UX. The Plan Designer just got a serious upgrade. So is more visual, more intuitive, and packed of with agent. A power intelligence. So whether you're planning, a business process or generating an app layout, the plan designer, now use AI to generate, the pages and the workflow for you. And it's on some point is like having a UX designer and an architect baked into your dev environment. So just describe what you want, and the Power Platform the plan designer agent is going to be that skeleton for you.
Yeah, that is great. Couple of more topics from the data platform workload. First of all, of course, I cannot relieve talking about the SQL 2025. That's a really big major announcement for all the data platform. Data architects and data engineers itself and DBA, of course. The other one of the big topics was the ML model endpoints within Fabric. That's the way you can propose more kind of a and serve real-time prediction with secure, scalable, and fully managed endpoints, where you can activate, you can customize, you can query endpoints with a REST API access or a low-code interface. And that means that you can save an overall cost, auto scale out of the box, and consume predictive and insight from custom apps or any other fabric experience. That is one of the things around ML model endpoints. The other big topic was in the real-time intelligence workload. That is the announcement for digital twin builders. That's gonna simplify and faster the way you can build and manage digital twins. With a low code and no code approach, so easily you can contextualize, and map the data to model assets and process and system and create digital twin on top of that. You can drill down to explore relationships and derive contextualized, high value insights in top of all the entities. Also, you can unlock a lot of insights with digital twins, and you can bring the other big topic, that is Power BI Copilot in top of real time dashboards. So those are kind of two more spotlights from the data platform space.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And you know me, my background. I came from the developer side of things, starting with C Sharp, JavaScript, and also for me, here's like a developer friendly bombshell. You can now run React components directly within Power Platform. So that means like this unlock custom interactivity and advanced logic and reusable components all inside your low code application, Power Apps. So I mean, like, this is like React developers and front end developers, you are officially invited to the Power Platform party.
Yeah, that is right. And two or more the three topics across the data platform space. One is the announcement about shortcuts transformation. That means that you can go to the source folder from your shortcut experience, and then you can leverage AI to transform to the destination folder. That means that the AI transformation is built in directly into the One Lake framework that is going to be available as an extension on the shortcut side of things. It's going to simplify the shortcut to a source folder and add a transformation in the definition of your shortcut itself. We're going to be showcasing in some of upcoming videos for the PowerMates channel. And automatically you can track all the changes from the source and sync directly to the destination folder. That is shortcuts transformation. Then the other big topic, of course, is all the enhancement coming in the Copilot in Power BI experience and the Fabric data agents. Some of the really great things, and I've been talking about this in multiple sessions at this point, the Fabric data agents is going to be the experience of Copilot right away embedding into the Power BI experience. So for the
Yeah.
business users, that means that you can link your Power BI chat with your data experience. First of all, prepare your data with AI in the Power BI practice itself, but then linking the semantic models, the Power BI reports, and even the Fabric data agent within the Power BI Copilot experience itself. That is amazing for business users. And the last topic, not the least, what we call the translytical task flows. That is amazing because that allow us to do multiple things in terms of building a Power BI experience of reporting, but getting actions in top of our data. That means that you can annotate and finally write back experience in the report itself. So you can start manipulating the data directly within the report in Power BI. That is huge announcement overall for Power BI users.
Okay, so I want to mention two other aspects of an announcement from Build on the business application side of things. One of them related with security, of course. None of this matter if it's not secure on some point. So that's why the product teams and Microsoft is double down with the secure by default strategy. So in this case, Power Platform now integrate deeply with Microsoft Purview governance, and Entra for identity and Defender for threat protection. So You are not just on some point building fast. You are building, or you should and must be building responsibly and securely. And last but not least, again, talking about the future of the team development. So with these new tools, agent, collaborative design, secure infrastructure, and dev friendly code, Power Platform on some point is becoming the ultimate canvas.
Yeah, that's all really great insights. And before going more in depth, I would love to mention two more kind of broadly topics. One is lot of sessions, great sessions around GitHub Copilot and what
Hmm.
is coming with the Asian mode within GitHub Copilot. And then the other big topic is AI Foundry is coming with a bunch of new models, that you can leverage from AI Foundry, and a lot of connection, of course, with Fabric and with many other platforms. So, PowerMates, for a more depth look at all these updates that we just shared with all of you, check out the official Microsoft Build 2025 book of news that we are going to be adding in the description of this video. And stay tuned, because in our next episode we will be expanding on each particular feature. So please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any preference on a particular feature, please leave us your comment down there.
That's right. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
And together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.